Monsieur Jean-Pierre Bemba.
The former vice president of the Democratic Republic of Congo was arrested in May 2008 after a ruling by the International Criminal Court, or ICC. Jean-Pierre Bemba faces 3 counts of crimes against humanity and 5 counts of war crimes. In one of his last interviews, Bemba spoke to Al Jazeera's Nick Clark at his home in exile in Portugal. He denied any wrongdoing and was confident he'd never face trial.
You will know that the International Criminal Court has...
That one. I'm not, of course, involved in any of these things.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is they have you in their sights, don't they? So
No, that's not true. Check your information.
So there's no question of you ever having to go to The Hague?
At all.
Bemba was well connected. His father was a businessman who flourished under the dictatorship of Mobutu Sese Seko, and one of his sisters is married to Mobutu's son. His personal wealth is estimated at several $100 million. But the charges he's facing relate to his leadership of the Movement for the Liberation of Congo, the MLC. In 2002, the government of the Central African Republic asked the MLC to help put down a coup attempt. In the subsequent fighting, MLC soldiers were accused of committing atrocities against innocent civilians. Bemba contested the Congolese presidential election in July 2006, during which his opponents accused him of having practiced cannibalism, specifically of eating pygmies. In the end, he came second to Joseph Kabila, claiming there'd been electoral fraud. In March 2007, fighting broke out between members of Bemba's personal militia and soldiers of the DR Congo army in the capital Kinshasa. A number of people were killed, and Bemba took refuge in the South African embassy, saying he was the target of an assassination attempt. Bemba was later allowed to fly to Portugal for medical treatment. He never returned, citing security concerns. His arrest warrant says he bears individual responsibility for war crimes including murder and rape, and further charges of crimes against humanity, including torture. Last December, the ICC ruled that Bemba was a flight risk, and he remains in custody. Nadim, Al Jazeera.